Customer churn costs businesses $1.6 trillion annually. Customer success teams drown in spreadsheets, tracking usage here, revenue there, support tickets somewhere else, unable to see warning signs until it's too late. I am Divij and I built SuccessHelix to solve this. What if we could see customer health like doctors see human health? Not isolated metrics but interconnected gene that reveal the full DNA. So, SuccessHelix treats customer health as 4 genes: engagement gene, financial gene, sentiment gene, and relationship gene. Engagement gene tells us about the product usage, logins, and feature adoption. Financial gene helps us to understand the annual recurring revenue, payment history, and expansion potential. Sentiment gene tells us about the NPS scores, support tickets, satisfaction. Relationship gene helps us to understand the meeting frequency and executive engagement. Each gene affects the others just like real DNA. Let's move to the live dashboard demo. Here we have a live updates panel. Here's a portfolio view. I'm using Tableau embedding API v3 to render interactive dashboards which I created on Tableau Cloud directly into the app. So now let's view the dashboard that I created. So this is a live dashboard which updates on the new data that comes directly from various businesses as they are using their products. Notice the health distribution we can see at a glance. How many customers are healthy, at warning, or critical. And we also have a table view and also a driver gene scores and a declining count, average churn, critical count, and average health metrics too. So here is the analytics page with the Tableau dashboard, and this is a live update panel which helps us to understand the artificial intelligence powered insights and the genome mapping that we have included in our application. So in this, how we have done the Tableau integration is that we have used 3 Tableau APIs. Hyper API. So I programmatically generated .hyper data extracts containing custom health metrics, gene scores, and cascade events. And once I click on refresh data, it invokes that Hyper API which I have created. Once the data source has been refreshed, we can here just click the refresh data in this view. And we can see the updates that are happening here live. And the REST API, when I click refresh, the backend publishes this .hyper file directly to Tableau Cloud via multi-part mixed requests. So REST API is a Tableau REST API which I have used via the PAT tokens and person SS tokens into the backend. And the embedding API, which I have already told about the dashboard that I have created on Tableau Cloud. I'm natively embedding it using the web component, and this creates a complete data pipeline of. Now, next coming to the AI and ML features that has been added. Now we'll go to the health genome part, where is the genome mapping. Each customer has a genome visualization built with d3.js library. You can see how each gene contributes to overall health. The ML engine uses scikit-learn's calibrated classifier CV with gradient boosting to predict churn probability, but predictions alone aren't enough. I implemented and integrated SHAP for explainability. This tells CSMs exactly why a customer is at risk. Engagement score dropped 40%, driving 35% of churn risks. And I also integrated OpenRouter with Gemini 2.0 Flash with natural language insights, which helps us to question like which customers need attention this week and get actionable recommendations. Like when I click on this critical vertex solution customer, it shows the genome mapping and gives us the AI insights here and the AI analysis on where it is getting wrong and gets us the risk assessment, root cause, immediate actions required, and expected impact. And we can also ask like which customers need attention overall portfolio that we have been using. So there you go. We have overall advice and pinnacle systems and next priorities that we have and customers requiring immediate attention. And we can also check out the other customers too that we have with the health score and relationship and sentiment score as a genome mapping. So here is the retrain functionality of the MNCL model, which has a SHAP explainability too. And we are retrained and the model has been retrained and the scores are being updated accordingly. So like this, we have here, as I showed the customer card earlier, we have an AI diagnosis section also here, which creates a diagnosis as we have in the AI analytics page also. And we have what if simulator also, what will happen, simulating results, the impacts of different interventions and cascade timeline too. And when the customer health is dropping, CSM shouldn't have to discover it manually. So I integrated Slack webhooks for proactive alerts. Now we can send to Slack. And once we have sent to Slack, there you go. We have right now received SuccessHelix alert about the ACM incorporation's critical health is 26 and churn is 73%. SuccessHelix transforms how customer success teams work. Instead of reactive firefighting, they get proactive intelligence. The DNA metaphor makes complex health data intuitive because customer health isn't a single number, it's interconnected. Thank you for tuning into the demo. I am Divij and this is SuccessHelix.